Okay, children, the lesson Children at Work, it is about this story is about a boy called Velu, who is a runaway from home. Runaway means who runs away from home without informing his parents, okay, without taking a permission, who runs away and leaves his home. Those are called runaway children. So Velu is a 11-year-old runaway, and he lands up in Chennai, and it is the first time he has come out of his village. He is surprised to see, he is shocked to see the chaotic the chaotic surrounding in a railway station, and he's exhausted and miserable because he has been traveling without proper food and water for the last 2 days, and he did not have enough money, so he was traveling ticketless. And once he lands in the Chennai railway station, he meets a girl who is picking up used cups from the dustbin, and she is stuffing those cups and bottles in her big sack which she was carrying around. So this is quite a strange sight for Velu, because he has never seen anything like this in his village. But then this girl, her name is Jaya, and she helps Velu find food and also teach him few things on how to stay safe in the city, right? How to be careful when you cross the road, and how to keep away from police and not get caught. So these are few things which were taught by the girl Jaya to Velu. Now although we have done the comprehension check of these questions, but very quickly I'll go through this comprehension check. Okay. Velu stood on the platform, but he felt as if he was still on a moving train. Why? Because his feet were feeling wobbly. Okay, wobbly means unsteady. His feet were unsteady, which is normal when you suddenly get down from, which you feel after getting down from a train journey. What made him feel miserable? Hunger and exhaustion made him feel miserable. Velu traveled without a ticket. Why? Because he did not have money to buy tickets, so he was traveling ticketless. How did he escape the ticket collector's attention? The ticket collector did not visit the unreserved compartment, and that is how Velu escaped ticket collector's attention. Why had Velu run away from home? He had run away from home to escape his father's beating. His father would take all the money Velu and his sister would make, and he will spend it on drinking. So he had run away to escape these beatings from his father. Why did he decide to follow the strange girl? Why did he follow to decide the strange girl? Because Velu did not know where he was or what to do. Okay, and he was quite lost, and most importantly, he was hungry. So he decided that it's better to follow this girl who promised, or who said that she will help to find him food. So this is the first comprehension part 1 comprehension. Let us see now part 2 comprehension. Children, please write down these words in the glossary. Okay, please write down the words and the word meanings. Now let us look at the part 2 comprehension. Okay, let us now discuss the comprehension part, comprehension check of part 2. Question number 1, can Velu read Tamil and English? How do you know? The Velu cannot read English because he could not read signboard in English, but he could read Tamil. If you are not careful, you will soon be counting bars, the girl said. What is she referring to? Answer is the girl is referring to the central jail. What does she mean when she says if you are not careful? She means to say that you don't have to do something wrong. You have to make sure that you are not caught. That is what she's trying to tell Velu. She says something a little later which means the same. Find the sentence. You will find the sentence here right after they leave the railway station here. This is a sentence. You don't have to do anything. Just don't get caught. That's all. So this would be the sentence we are looking for. Where did the girl lead Velu to? The girl led Velu to a marriage hall. What did they get to eat? They ate banana. They ate a banana and vada, which was a leftover. They ate banana and vada, which was a leftover from the garbage bin. What work did she do? Think of one word answer. The answer is rag pickers. Okay, rag picker. So she was a rag picker. The people you see on the roads, they pick up from the garbage bins, from the dustbins, they pick up bottles and papers and plastics. They are called rag pickers. Okay, rag pickers. That will be your answer. Now part 3. Comprehension check of part 3. What material are the strange huts made of? The huts were made up of, do you remember? Plastics. They were made up of metal sheets, tires, bricks, wood and plastic. Why does Velu find them strange? Velu find them strange because in his village the houses were made up of mud and palm leaves. Question 2. What sort of things did Jaya and children like her collect, and what did they do with those things? They collected bottles and papers and plastics. And what did they do? They sold it to the junk dealer. Okay, in Hindi we call them kabadi, but don't write kabadi, right? These children like Jaya collected bottles and plastics, rubbers and papers, and they sold it to junk dealer. Is Velu happy or unhappy to find work? Give a reason for your answer. He is not at all happy, right? He is not happy to find the work of rag picking. Why? What is the reason? Because he did not come from village to become a rag picker, right? He did not come from a village to become a rag picker. He asked Jaya, like, do you have farms in the city? Because in the village he was weeding the farm for the landlord. Weeding means to remove unwanted plants from vegetable garden or from a field. Okay, so he used to do weeding, and he used to take out landlord's cows for grazing. So these are the work he had done, and he did not like the work Jaya was doing, and which he also had to do in order to fill his stomach. Okay, so these would be the comprehension check questions. Now let us discuss the question answers, and you need to write these answers. Okay, is Velu a smart boy? Which instance in the text show that he is or isn't? What do you think? Is he a smart boy? Now the answer to this question, the question 1, is Velu a smart boy? Which instance in the, now these questions, these 3 questions are there. I will give you points. Okay, I will give you points. Please include these points in your answers. So do you think Velu was a smart boy? No, Velu was not a smart boy. You can include some of these points. No, he was not a smart boy because he ran away from home to escape his father's beating. Father's beating is safe. Father's beating, but then we can see that he at least he got a basic education, right? He got at least he got a basic education. Then and he had a home to live. He had a family, so he ran away from the security of his family. 11-year-old boy running away from his home is never a smart thing to do. So we can say that he ran away from home to escape his father's beating. He had to travel ticketless in a miserable condition, um, without proper food and water, and at the end he accepted to become a rag picker in the city. So these are the points you can include. Then, do you think Jaya is brave and sensitive child with a sense of humor? Find instances of her courage, kind nature and humor in the text. Do you think Jaya is brave and sensitive? Yes, Jaya is brave and sensitive. She what shows that you have to find give instances of her courage. Okay, so we can say that she took, although she was poor and had no money, but she took pity on Velu and offered to help him find food, right? We can include that. Then she also earns her living by collected discarded materials and selling them. She does not beg. So it shows her courage, right? It shows her courage that she works and she earns her living. And what shows her sense of humor? She calls the dirty trickle of water Buckingham Canal. Okay, so you can include these points. Now the last one, what one throws away as waste may be valuable to others. Do you find this sentence meaningful in the context of this story? How? Yes, it is. We can say that yes, what one throws away as waste may be valuable to others. Like in the story we see the plastic, the papers, rusty materials or bottles which were thrown away by people are being collected and being sold by children like Jaya to earn their living. Okay, and also we can also see that they also children like Jaya, sometimes they also eat the leftover food which are discarded in dustbins. Okay, so you can include these points in your answers. All right, so I hope children this is clear to all of you. Please write the question answers, include these points. Comprehension check question has been completed, and write the words from the glossary. All right, so I hope the lesson and the explanation is clear to all of you. Thank you.